This is my husband, Mr. Tzeng. In July 2010, he was diagnosed with lung cancer. At that time, it was already in stage 3. He didn't have much of the symptoms. He only had occasional dry coughs. But the doctor felt that the dry coughs had lasted too long. He ordered chest x-ray and then CT scan. Then the doctor told us he had stage 3 lung cancer. The best treatment is surgery. Without surgery, he would only live for 9 months. We went to another doctor for a second opinion. He told us without immediate surgery, he would only live for 6 months. We have no other choice. We decided to have surgery. My husband was referred to a thoracic surgeon. He is one of the 4 top surgeons in the field in the United States. It took us some months to get an appointment. When he saw us, he said, "This tumor is too large, 6.7 centimeters. I cannot operate on you. It's very dangerous. Also, I will not do any surgery if I cannot foresee a successful surgical outcome. Go to the oncologist. Take chemotherapy to shrink the tumors. Then we decide whether we're going to operate or not." So we went to an oncologist. The oncologist started chemotherapy on my husband. My husband had the first chemotherapy treatment in August. After that, he suffered a lot. Chemotherapy treatment kills bad cells as well as good cells. He was very weak. He lost his appetite. He had constipation. He had all the possible side effects. At that time, my friend Mr. Liu told me, "My nephew, Teacher Fang, is very good for energy healing. May I introduce him to help you?" September 22nd and 23rd, Teacher Fang came to our home. He opened our chakras. He also helped my husband with energy healing. September the 24th, we went to his home. Teacher Fang offered the energy healing classes on 25th, 26th, and 27th, and we attended their classes. After chakra opening, after learning more about energy healing from the classes, we practiced this energy healing diligently day and night. We also did a lot of meditation. Teacher Fang told us how to do this energy healing, where we lay our hands. He encouraged us a lot. Don't doubt it, have faith. We worked with this energy healing for more than a month. At that time, my husband finished his second chemotherapy treatment. The oncologist was very happy that the SUV has already reduced to half of its original value. In the beginning, he wanted to refer us back to the surgeon for surgery after the second chemotherapy treatment. But the surgeon said, "Well, just go back, finish 4 chemotherapy treatments, and then come back." After my husband finished all 4 chemotherapy treatments, the oncologist told us the SUV has become 0. There's no more need for chemotherapy. We were so thankful because chemotherapy caused a lot of sufferance. We went back to the surgeon to prepare for surgery. The surgeon agreed to operate on my husband because the tumor has shrunken from 6.7 to 3.7 centimeter. My husband had surgery on December the 16th. During this time, Teacher Fang told us to practice an exercise. It is the walking with hand clapping technique exercise. At the same time, we diligently do meditation and energy healing. Exercise, dietary change, with energy healing, all three things he advised, we followed. Teacher Fang also taught my husband a special breathing technique. For cancer patients, he wanted us to practice this breathing exercise to increase the lung capacity. One is the abdominal breathing technique, and the other is the breathing technique that involves tongue movement. I called Teacher Fang. We're going to have surgery now. Teacher Fang told me, immediately after the surgery, help your husband with the energy healing. Before surgery, my husband did the energy healing on himself. After the surgery, I did the energy healing on my husband, according to Teacher Fang's advice. Later, we went back to the family physician, and he wanted to look at the surgical wound. When he saw the wound, he was very surprised, and he said, "Wow, the wound healed so beautifully. For a large wound like this, 15 centimeters long, every patient will have a lot of scar tissue on the wound that would look like an earthworm." We didn't know much about the wound healing. This was an unexpected bonus for us. Teacher Fang also gave us another advice, which is very helpful. He told us to drink a cup of ginger juice every day. I felt this helped my husband a lot. This prevented my husband from getting flu. If he had flu during chemotherapy, he would suffer a lot more, and he would need to be sent to the emergency room. Compared to other cancer patients, my husband did not have any complications during chemotherapy treatments. Today, you came here to learn this energy healing technique. Cherish this good opportunity. Practice diligently. Thank you.